Good day, Mike. Good morning, everyone. This is Koge. I'm in Brisbane, Australia right now. Today, we are going to visit Bunnings Warehouse. Bunnings is the leading home improvement and outdoor products in Australia and New Zealand, a major supplier to project builders and commercial tradespeople. It's a well-known household name with more than 300 stores available. Now, let's go inside. This is Bunnings and it's really huge. Come, let's go and check it out. I think gardening is one of the most visited place when you come to Bunnings. Look at the a lot of flowers, plant soil, accessories that you simply get amazed and lost. If you're looking for barbecue equipment and accessories, now you know where to get them. And this is where you find all the seeds, lawn care and fertilizers. How to grow your vegetables? We have all the seeds for vegetables, herbs, flowers, and you check it out yourself. Fertilizers and fertilizers. Lord food.
Hi! Certainly one of the biggest.
Wow.
Yeah, as you can tell, yeah, it just goes forever and ever.
This is another section for garden tools. For example, you have glove here, and then you have all these garden hoe, and there's some shovels here. Look at that. I think this is one of the largest collection. Behind me is the pin section for Bunnings. Let us see what is the difference between Australia and Malaysia. For colors and painting, you can actually see a lot of color cards. A lot of color cards available here, and also some catalog for color charts as well. Then upon you identifying the color cards, the color, then I think you should go over the other side where you can get the quotation, quotes, and then they will blend the colors for you. And this is what I call paint brushes and rollers. They have a huge collections, numbers, and different types of brushes and rollers for your use. If you are talking about silicone and sealants, then probably you will be amazed of what you're going to see. Check it out. This is the tool sections of Bunnings. When it comes to power tools, there's a lot of brands in Bunnings that you can choose from. So if you can see, there's many available models on the desk for you to choose, for you to see, and for you to try it out. If you are into woodworking, I think this is one of the best places that you must go. You must come to Bunnings. Look at behind me. There are actually a lot of power tools, accessories. For example, drill bits, masonry, or the hacker bits, everything. It's just simply amazing. Some of the Bunnings store, like for example, like this one in New State, is a multi-story Bunnings warehouse, and they have another section which is dedicated to the bigger things. Like for example, it allows customer to just go around to shop for plywood, plasterboard, and all the bigger items, including the timber and timber plank. So they go to that section over there, and then they'll shop, and then they will pick it up using their cars or wagons. They'll pick it up and they check out from there. So not all store has this, but today we are luckily that in New State here there's such thing. So let's go, follow me. Basically, the customer will drive in their car from this entrance, coming, and then they will park their car into a certain location where they'll go down and they'll check out all the timber. That you can see that timber is here, all the lumber mart or timber mart. And over the other side, you can see it's actually, I believe it's a cementatious product. For example, tile adhesive, those plastering cement. It's all over the other side. There's some plywood over there. Plywood is there. Well, look at this part. There's a double story racking there. We see some cars coming up and pick up their orders. Let us see. Bunnings are picking up, arranging their products. You can see a lot of decking, a lot of plasterboards, a lot of plywood planks, and some accessories as well over this side. Now come on, let us go this side and check it out. From here, we are actually, we can see panoramically the view of Bunnings. This is another section where customers are allowed to come in, park their cars, and then choose the item by themselves and check out, and off they go to their projects and back to their home. Merry Christmas. I got myself Bunnings gift card, and let us try to pay for this. That's it. As simple as this. Bunnings Warehouse brands works on 3 strategic pillars. First, lowest price. With its policy of lowest prices are just the beginning, Bunnings are really serious about it. They even offer price guarantee to every single customers. Okay, second, widest range. Bunnings has around 45,000 SKU, and that is really huge. For example, today when I walk inside Bunnings, I'm simply amazed and I was lost inside. It's too big. Third, best service. How to say no to best service. Every single team member of Bunnings that you meet are so friendly, and they'll just greet you, they will just be there to offer help to you. And yeah, if you have any problems with your home improvement or any issues with your DIY projects or something like that, you should look for them for advice. Okay, well, this simply wraps up my visit to Bunnings Warehouse, Australia. I am totally amazed, and it's so huge that I really exhausted, but it was fun. I spent almost about 2 to 3 days in Bunnings, and I will say that I'll come over again. So thank you very much, Bunnings, and all of you. You have been very kind and great to me and during my stay, and yes, I'll see you. Bye bye. Thank you everyone in Bunnings, the new state store, especially Melissa and Dave, Lee, and also Bob for the wonderful tour and experience. I truly enjoy, and I definitely will come back again for more. Thank you, Bunnings. Enjoy watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video. Do comment below if you have any other suggestions for me, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.